Way too funny. So I was making a video, or no, this scrolling, sorry, and the dude left me a message, and so I wrote this on top, and I was gonna keep it that way. So I was putting it, the dude's left me a message for, and then I flashed it, and then the message was gone. So then I re-flashed it, and I put, and the message is gone now, and boom, there it is. Hey? Sorry, I'm shaking here, but there it is, eh? That's a message from dude. He flashed that on the chip, and it's obviously in between the brackets someplace. But it was gone a minute ago, and then I flashed it again in the back. So it's in the code. It's in between the brackets in that little piece of code. So this is what I added, right? Throughout it all, it turns. Oh, I'm shaking like crazy here. Turns out, dude isn't such a lazy ass. After all, there you go. Cool, eh? Well, this is my unit that's powered by that 220 volts, sorry. Cool, eh? There it is. And it's gone. Now, and then boop, and it comes back. Too cool, eh? Too funny. I'll let this run out here. And see, there's one word there. You can pick it up. Infinity. Not quite infinity. Missing the I. But all that font is on the back and the chip there somewhere. And it just grabbed it. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy. Bye for now.